What is going on, YouTube fam? Sumit here from Philly Bimmer Club, aka G80 Sum, and today I'm going to show you how to take off the ECU from a G80 M3. So, those of you who don't know, the ECUs on these cars, any BMW from June 2020 on are locked from the factory, and the only way to unlock it is through a company called Femto over in Europe. And they're the only ones in the world that can unlock these ECUs. So Supras, M340s, X3Ms, G80s are all all able to be unlocked, but you have to go through a process. You got to ship this out to Europe, get it back, and then you can put in a flash tune from a tuner of your choice. So those of you guys have been following me for a while. I've been running JB4 for a good amount of time. It's been great for me. If you don't want to go through all this, JB4 is a fantastic option. It got me into the sixes, as you guys have seen, which is a world record, and I want to go faster. So I'm trying to see what the what this car can actually really do with the true flash tune, true custom tune that's going to utilize all of my mods. I'm expecting obviously to go a good amount, have a good bit of more power, but the main thing is actually, better performance on the street and the racetrack, and things like that. So I'm really excited to see what this baby can do. So this goes out tomorrow, but enjoy the video. Shout out to my boy, Mike. Got Mike over here. We got Kevin over there. Mike, if you guys know, I installed my steering wheel. Electronic steering wheel, the first in the country to have the R44 electronic wheel. He's over here going to help me out and remove the ECU. So I'm going to video the process so you guys can do it on your own as well. So let's get started.
We're going to disconnect the battery. This is a 10 mil.
So this is step one.
Take this off, put it to the side, put a rag over it so it does not connect. Alright, now we're ready to go to the front. Alright. So what you want is for the upper strut bar, there's four bolts. You need to take that out. For Sums, this is a 14.
So, as you guys know, I have the Downstar dress-up kit. So, looks like they lowered the size to 14. So, OEM is 15 millimeters.
If you want to show them the location of it.
Yeah.
What you want to do is take it, put it to the side. We're going to come over here to this box. Now that you can remove it, you can see it went straight across like that.
It's a little tight in there.
There we go. So for this, you gotta tilt it, then kind of pull it out. Put that on the side. Then there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's 6 connectors. There's a little tab here. What you want to do is push that in. Do that. Then they pop out. Then when you reinstall, you want to make sure you don't mix them up. Same thing. I would suggest to label them, like the number order.
I'm guessing you're gonna remember this. Hopefully.
Actually, I bought the tape and I'm gonna label it.
Okay, cool.
Put a piece of tape on top. Pain.
So it seems like one's giving a little bit of a challenge.
There we go. Well, now, and that's the last one. So now we're on these connectors, the side connectors. What you want to do is this gray tab, you got to pop it up, push it in, then it comes out. Same thing for this. Those. That. Then there's one last one right here. Pause it. You want to pause it? All right. For this one, there's the tabs on the left side of it. So what you want to do is get in there. Maybe hit it from this end.
All right, ECU's out. He's gonna explain the steps real quick.
So you guys seen the 6 connectors? Got that out? Kevin, you want to hold this for me? Sure. Then right here, there's these tabs. What you want to do is, so you go from the back, but I'll show you here. So basically you pull it so it pushes out. There's one here and one right here. What you do is just push them. Then you need a second hand. That person will pull the ECU out. Then it comes out.
All right. There we go. Next is ship it out, and it's a waiting game from then on. So yeah, I want to thank Mike for getting the job done. Kevin for the assist.
Of course.
And yeah, I knew I was gonna struggle with that crap. So call the guys that can do it. So yeah. So I'm gonna send us out to Femto, and after it's unlocked, we'll see what this baby can do.